The Atlas 150 is a durable pasta maker that's terrific for printing intaglio drypoint, monotype, and Xerox lithography or pronto plate prints. The pasta maker is pretty much ready to use right out of the box. This model is the Atlas 150, and it refers to the width of the roller, which is 150 millimeters or about 6 inches wide. This will be the widest plate and paper that this pasta maker can accommodate. The press comes with the pasta maker, a cutter, the handle, and a clamp to attach the pasta maker to the table surface. The widest setting on this pasta maker is 0, and that equates to about 1/8 of an inch. So that means that the widest packet of material that can be sent through this pasta maker is 1/8 of an inch or less. Converting the pasta maker to horizontal printing is pretty easy to do. The first step is going to be to remove the cutter attachment, and this slides off fairly easily. Next, the bottom plate is removed. On this model, I'm using a star screwdriver bit. There's direct access to the screws from the bottom, so it's very easy to remove the bottom plate. Next, the pasta maker is placed on its side, and I recommend putting some sort of cushion underneath the pasta maker to prevent any wear and tear onto the table surface that the pasta maker will be clamped to. Printing with the pasta maker will take some experimentation with the media you're trying to print and the thickness setting on the pasta maker to get the appropriate pressure to transfer your image from your matrix to your substrate. I found the best setting for the pasta maker for printing my PETG drypoint plate was the setting at number 1, and it's slightly less than 1/8 of an inch thick. The bed support is 3 pieces of manila file folder cut slightly narrower than the width of the press. On top of the file folders, I have my newsprint template and then a piece of clear acetate. The plate is placed ink side up on top of this, and then the piece of printing paper front side down, 1 or 2 pieces of newsprint, and 2 pieces of craft foam. I slightly stagger the front area of the sandwich that's going through the press to allow the rollers to gently grab it and then ramp up onto the plate surface, ensuring that the cushion, though, is completely covering the length of the plate. It'll take a little bit of trial and error for you to find the best pressure. If your print comes out too light or papery, then it means that you don't have enough pressure. So you can try increasing the dial to increase pressure, or slightly increasing the thickness of the sandwich that's going through the press. It's best to go from not enough pressure to too much pressure to avoid damaging the pasta maker. I recommend trying out the pressure first on a piece of soaked paper and an uninked plate until you get a really beautiful embossment on the plate surface to know that you're going to get a good print then when you go to printing your inked up plate.